All right. What do we have? We have about 15 minutes left to the market, and let's just take a quick look at what we got. We have a break of yesterday's low, and we'll close down there, which is good. We'll probably do a wee bit of a retrace. It's not really a pattern that makes me think that we're going to move very far. We have this trend line in here. I'm really thinking that we come down. Maybe we get another 90 points out of it over the next 3 days. Good 3 day move down. That would be a good healthy move. I would like that. I would look for some sort of bottoming indication at that point. Now, this is quite a move up. I mean, really, a healthy move would be a 50% retracement of this. But barring any unforeseen circumstances, I don't think we're going to get that. If we get to 44.80, that's going to be a lot. But what we're looking for now is we're looking for a higher low. We don't want a little consolidation. We want a movement, maybe 3 or 4 points and a pivot, so that we could say, okay, we put in a higher low. Because I mean, that would start a change in the trend. Let's get rid of that. All right. So here we got a higher high, higher low. Uh, um, uh, Here we have a high, a low, lower high, and then we have a higher low. So we moved up, we broke this high. We need a higher low to change this bearish trend. Otherwise, we're just in a consolidation. And then I think, well, ultimately we're in a consolidation as long as we're below our high and above this low. So we could bounce around in here and be the trading range, but I want to see an upward trend on this, and it would make me more apt to believe that we might move to break that high. But right now, our trading range, we're going to look to make a move up to 4,800. So I want to lower a higher low, and then start trending, zigzagging up to that 4,800. And that's what I'm looking for on SPX. And then I can arguably say that the shit is out. We need some consolidation, some good fundamentals, and we'll just keep breaking to new highs. Otherwise, we could trade within that range. BTC, we could call this a bull flag, baby. Let's see if it hits. It could trade back to a last kiss. If we do tag this trend line right here, I'm going to increase my position size and see if I can't take a good run up. This is a good bear flag too if you want to do an entry. Tomorrow, just take the entry breaking this high right here, and away we go. What else are we going to look at? Let's look at the 10-year and see what the 10-year is doing to us. Do it to it, baby. Yeah, there's nothing exciting to trade. I think it's going to float down into the 22s. Um, that's fine. Ultimately, it's obviously going to move up as Fed squeeze. Let's take a look at AMC, see what's going on here. Oh, we know this pattern, huh? Look at that. There's some meme stock hype. Um, I mean, we were watching it on this break. That was a good trade, good technical break. I stay away from it right now. Don't chase it. It looks like it's just going to float back down. Let it consolidate a little bit before we touch it. Well, actually, I don't see a need to touch it, but before anybody out there touches it. All right, so that's it. Remember, watch your downside. It's all about risk management. You should be calm and cool and at peace when you trade, and good luck trading.